Hi, my name's Scott, and in this video I'm going to review a LED pool light. This is what it looks like at night, and it's by a brand called Poolexa, and it's a 10-inch disc-shaped light which fits a standard niche. So if I turn it over in the back, you'll see it's got a number of screws, but also it's got this tab, which is what sort of holds it in place in a niche or niche, something like that, which you hopefully already have installed in your pool wall. Now this particular light needs 12 volts DC, so you do need this controller box, and the controller connects to 120 volts on one side, and then the wire coming out of it, that's the RGB connections for the light itself. The RGB controller is waterproof, so it could be mounted outside. You can control it from these buttons. And one of the benefits of having an RGB light is not just that it changes color, but you also have more control. You can adjust the brightness, and this one even has a Bluetooth mobile app, so you can actually control it from your phone. I'll show you that later. Well, it's time to test the light out in the pool, and I have to say it's looking really good. I've temporarily mounted it, by the way, in the pool, and it's just cycling through some different colors. But it's definitely able to light up my pool, which is 18,000 gallons. It's about 30 feet long and about 15 feet wide. So there are 7 standard colors. This is red, always the dimmest in a pool light. But you have white, red, green, blue, white, cyan, purple. So one of the cool things about the RGB controller is this particular one has Bluetooth capability, and you install this app called LED Lamp on your phone. That allows you to, yes, select the standard preset colors, but you can also tap anywhere in the color wheel to choose any color that you want. So if you want the perfect shade of your favorite color, no problem, you can do that. The app also has different types of effects, strobing and flashing and pulsing and all sorts. And it can also respond to sounds that it hears either in the phone's mic or music that you're playing to flash in time with what it's hearing. Finally, there is a timer function, so you can program it to go on or off at a certain time. But to be honest, I like the pool just in a single color. I usually choose blue. And so one other benefit of this RGB controller is if you switch off the power externally, like with a timer, when you turn it back on, it will go to the same setting that it was previously on. So what did it cost? Well, the light is around $150. There's different lengths of cable available, and the controller is about $130. All in, that's a lot cheaper than most pool lights from big name brands. I love technology, and one of the things I wanted to do was be able to check the temperature of my pool water from my phone. If you want to see how I did that, check out this other video. Thanks for watching. My name's Scott, and this is Scott's Smart Home.